This house on Hobmore Terrace in York was built in 2017 on the site of an old bungalow. We actually did this project when we were still living in Singapore and connected to our architect Phil Bixby and to our builder Steve Kent by WhatsApp and email. And frankly, it worked brilliantly. This is the view from the front door through into the open plan area where you can see the kitchen on the right, living room into the distance. Far left is a snug. Special thanks to our architect here because the wall actually opens out so that when you come in from the front door, the widening opening really draws you in. Ventilation is either by simply opening the doors and windows or by using an MVHR system. This is one of the extractor vents in the kitchen area so that hot or warm, wet kitchen air is removed. And then elsewhere in the living area, the far corner, is a duct which actually blows fresh air into the room. The landing is nice and large and is bright and open, as most of the rooms are, with a very high ceiling. There are 3 rooms going off this, 3 bedrooms, plus a family bathroom and a plant room. This is the plant room. The Zender is the MVHR unit. It's been pretty effective in terms of cleaning the air. You're not actually breathing recycled air, you're breathing air which actually is brought in fresh from outside through a filter, and then the heat is transferred. I believe it works to about 90% efficiency. Out of interest, these are 2 filters which I took out previously. The bottom one is from the outlet, which is leaving the house. And the top one, the dirty one, is what's coming out from the inlet, which is what's been collected from the stuff that's come in from outside. We replace these, every 4 or 5 months. They're about £40 a pair. So we've got that running cost to think about. The box on the top, on the middle there, is the 1 kilowatt heater. Not as quite as integrated as you like because it doesn't work with the app. It's not a Zender make. They don't actually produce them in the UK or sell them in the UK for some reason. The utility room is a work of genius. Dirty clothes come straight from the ensuite next door, into the basket, into the washing machine, up onto the dryer here. And because there's an extract, within about 4 hours the clothes are dry. Family bathroom also can be turned into a private bathroom because it's a Jack and Jill door to the guest room. And this is just one of 3 towel rails which are in the house, which are heated. And that and the 1 kilowatt MVHR heating pole is our only form of heating in the house. The snug is quite a large room and we've used it more than we thought we were going to do. This is my wife's favourite corner, and in fact you can go there on a winter's day and put your nose against the window. It might be 1 degree outside, but inside it's 20 degrees and you don't feel any draft. The pitched roof faces south and there's an integral photovoltaic array built into it. On a glorious day like today, it's producing about 5 kilowatts. Our electricity bills are low. They probably could be lower, but we run an electric car and that whoops your power consumption up. So people ask me, how much do you pay? But I don't really know what the is compared. I don't worry about it, put it that way. I suppose we should say something about the actual passive houseness. And does it make a difference to our lives? Well, it's difficult to know, but again, the fact that it is so clean and clear, the air in the house, the brightness because of the large windows, which are triple glazed, means that it's sort of like living outside, but inside. We've lived in this house for nearly 3 years, and we expected to do a lot of travelling as we'd recently retired, but frankly, we just want to stay here. We just adore what we've got. It's so bright and spacious, and I know it's new, so not much has gone wrong with it, but the air always feels clean and fresh. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful on a rather unusual lockdown version of a Passive House Open Day. Bye for now.